More than half of children are exposed to strangers online with no parental restrictions around chatting and gaming with people they don't know, a new report has found. Charity CyberSafeKids spoke to over 3,000 primary school-aged children and just under 2,000 parents nationwide for the survey. It found 93% of children go online to game or use apps, often using platforms designed for adults. This comes as Minister for Communications Patrick O'Donovan has said he will bring a memo to Cabinet on a new age verification system. He said that this will rely on a person's PPS number, which will be held by a third party. New social media regulatory requirements were introduced in Ireland in July 2025. However, 69% of children surveyed have at least one account on a social media platform with a legal age rating of 13+. This rises to 79% for 12-year-olds. Dr. Coleman Noctor, child and adolescent psychoanalytical psychotherapist, said, "Young people are not emotionally, cognitively or socially mature enough to manage unlimited exposure to internet content." The survey also focused on parental supervision. Most parents said they set rules and limits around screen time and online activity. However, almost half admitted they're not always enforced, and nearly a quarter said they wouldn't know where to begin. Meanwhile, Derek Chambers, policy lead for Ireland's National Mental Health Services, has highlighted a digital disconnect between parents and children. He's calling for a number of measures to be adopted by the government. These include an immediate and comprehensive ban on so-called nudify or pornify apps, extending copyright protection to an individual's body, facial features and voice, and a risk assessment framework by experts for online environments to determine levels of risk to children. For more on this and other stories, you can read the Irish Independent.